As the world of journalism is becoming more and more uncertain, as the questions of post-truth or fake news invade the world, the uncertain future of journalism, documentaries have a much more important role to play. The marketplace for documentaries has grown enormously, both the traditional media, for example, in this country, Financial Times, The Economist, The Guardian, internationally, New York Times, Al Jazeera, Der Spiegel. In China, it's grown enormously. Platforms have grown, Amazon, Netflix. So if you've got a passion for filmmaking, if you've got a passion for storytelling, for investigating, for exposing, for hearing other people that you don't normally hear, then documentaries is the place to be. You can use different tools, different techniques, as say, different voices. It's artistically, creatively and journalistically, I think, the most exciting field there is at the moment in media.